You're at the We All Juggle Knives channel, by the way. Welcome one and all. And here are the technical parameters of the light. So as you can see, maximum lumens 1300. Maximum beam distance 400 meters. And you can see the different numbers for the different colors. And you can see the run times there as well. Comes with some accessories. You got a recharging cable, USB to Type-C recharging. Got a lanyard, some spare O-rings, and a spare tail switch cover. It's got a belt holster, elastic, like so. It's got an orange peel style reflector. To turn it on, press the tail switch. To turn it off, press the tail switch. Now it also has momentary on if you half press. Momentary on. Now once it is on, you can select the brightness level with a side switch. It has 4 brightness levels. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's the brightest. Wow. I can feel the heat. To select the color of the light, you rotate that ring. Alright, so white, red, you're going to see that better outside. It's actually red in the real world. And green. Now let's go back to red. This also has one special mode, strobe. To get to the strobe, you press and hold. Alright, warning, we're going to strobe. Let's strobe with the red. Alright, and it will do 2, right? Two flashing rates. Now this comes with a 21700 battery. To get at it, unscrew the tail cap. Alright, this is the battery that it comes in. Note, very high capacity. In order to recharge that battery, hook it up to any USB power source with the recharging cable. This is a power bank, and it has a red indicator light when it is charging. This has holes here for the lanyard, and note this structure here. When this is like this, because of that, you can see that it's on. Also, theoretically, those make this more effective as an impact device. Okay, at this time I'm going to roll in the outside demonstration footage, and then we'll come back for final thoughts on this 3-color hunting flashlight. I'm in the second story window, and we've got some critters. Let's illuminate them. Where is one? There's one. Focus. Alright, there you go. So there's the deer, just chilling. And yeah, now I'm not going to hunt them, of course, but this light is definitely good at showing you some deer. And now I am in the second story window, so look how far away I am. Way back here. Alright, so that's some pretty good range. Alright, YouTube, I'm out here with this hunting flashlight on the old testing board. Let's cycle through the brightness levels. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, let's change color. Alright, we got the red. Again, let's cycle through. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, and let's change color again. The green light. 1, 2, 3, and the brightest. 4. Alright, YouTube, I'm out with this hunting flashlight on the road of no lights. Let's crank it up. Okay, let's see what we can see. Pretty good at lighting up the road. Look how far it reaches down that road. What's over here is vegetation. No lights on this road, and some good range on that. Yeah, no lights and nothing on this road. Alright, I'm out here at Frog Creek with this hunting flashlight. Let's crank it up. Alright, this is the the brightest mode. Wow, good focus on this light. Let's pan it around, see what we can see. Up to the treetops, no problem. Look at that beam cutting through. All the way down the creek. Is that a Sasquatch over there? Maybe a Bigfoot? The truth is out there, YouTube. All right, I'm liking the focus of this light. You can see the water. Look at Frog Creek. You all love Frog Creek, man. Frog Creek is more popular than me. Like, people tune in to see the creek. It makes them happy. Wow. I mean, that's really bright. Look, you can see every bubble. I've definitely seen raccoons crossing this creek and hunting in the creek as well. All right, YouTube, we're at the sports field. This is one goal. Let's see how this light does. Where's the other goal? There it is. Wow. Yeah, I can see it clearly, even in this little viewfinder. You see that? Some excellent range from this light. Zoom in. Wow. Excellent light. Yeah, and it is 8 degrees. It is 8 degrees Fahrenheit right now, so this camcorder is only going to work for a limited amount of time in this kind of cold. But I got the shot. If there was a deer right there, you would clearly see, right? Any sort of animal that you were hunting, you would definitely have it in your sights. There we go. I'm going to show you this animal. And the deer is hungry, as you can see. Wow, this light is doing an excellent job. I love the range on this. And there it goes, a little critter. Just looking for food over there. All right, and that's from way back here. Way back here. Awesome range and performance from this light. Okay, YouTube, we've got a little closer. Let's try this green light and see what we can see. There's a herd of deer over there. And there they are. Hold on, will it focus? There, I think you can see them. The deer. 1, 2, there's one over there. Yeah, you can see, yeah, you see that? I'm squinting in this little tiny viewfinder. There's one there, oh, another one there. There's 5 of them, right? So that's with the green light. And I'm back here, I'm way back here, so it's pretty good range. This is the red. Now the red has less range, so I don't know if what you'll be able to see with the red, but let's try it out. Okay, cool. I don't know if the camera can focus, but there's there's the red, there's a deer. And they don't appear to be bothered by the light at all. They just don't like the noise. All right. Okay, these are suburban deer, so they're very used to people, and they're very used to headlights and other bright lights even at night. There's truck headlights all over the place where I live. Alright, so there they are. And we are back. I hope you liked that. Well, first of all, I am very impressed by the range of this light. It did excellent on the field, right? So a very focused beam. That's what I would want if I'm trying to spot critters or trespassers. The 3 color options, very useful. Basically, different animals can or cannot see different colors of light, right? So if you shine a light on an animal and it can't see that color, it's not going to know that you have it in your sights, right? So that's very useful. Now the battery this uses has a lot of capacity. This has a lot of endurance, right? And the battery itself is rechargeable. Very useful. This can also use one 18650 battery instead, right? And a lot of people have those, so again, that's very convenient. Now, as far as things that I would change or things that I would add, one thing I think they should do is have another version of this flashlight with a smooth reflector. Right? One reason that this has a long range is because look how deep the reflector, right, the reflector can be. If this had a smooth reflector, it would even increase the range, right? So I think they should offer two versions because there are, depending on what you want to do and what range you want to use, you might want more flood, right, or more focus. So I think they should offer this in this model and one with a smooth reflector. So overall, I would say this is a very useful flashlight for the outdoors, for spotting critters, or just spotting other humans or trespassers out there. And that high capacity battery, it just gives you a lot of security that you're not going to run out of juice when you need it. So yeah, excellent all around long thrower and outdoor flashlight. I did check the current price. It's going for around $90. That's not bad. Less than $100 for something like this. Alright YouTube, well I hope you enjoyed this video. This has been We All Juggle Knives and Lights. I'm out.